Good morning. It is 5:39 a.m. and I've not really slept last night. I was planning this big video today where I'm going to pick up the iPhone 16 Pro Max from the Apple Store this morning, and we're still going to do that, but I just wanted to let you know I am knackered. That's better. So yes, today it is Friday the 20th of September and I'm off to the Apple Store. I'm going to take the train in. We've got to drive to the station first. Been testing the Ultra Human Air Ring, which I've been really impressed with. Full video on that coming very soon, but it is a fitness and health tracking ring that also does all of your sleep tracking and stuff. And there we go, that's what we have. Battery's been pretty good, and yeah, it's really unobtrusive and I like it. I've also got the Raycon earbuds that I will be reviewing very soon. They've been my only headphones for the last few days, so they're going to be coming with me as well. They're still on their first charge, so they're doing pretty good. Also, while we're here, we might as well do a little tour of the new iCave. Let's just close that one. Pop these lights on. Pop these lights on. Yeah, a little bit chaotic at the minute because obviously I've been getting everything ready for this morning. If you're not aware yet, I have started a second channel, which is very exciting for me because this is one of my old hobbies, which is Warhammer 40,000, and they're doing a part work where you can grab a few of the magazines. Well, I say a few, I think they're doing 90, and build up a collection. But I've painted my first couple of models, which are just over here. There is very much an Apple theme to the models that are going to be coming. So we have got a little Apple logo on the shoulder at the moment, although that's going to change slightly. I've got some new plans. The second channel is iCaveDave. If you want to check it out, there's 3 videos up already, and you can win yourself a copy of this with some of the figures. So if you're interested in playing along, it's only available in the UK at the minute, so you might have a chance to get it outside the UK. Watch the videos, it'll tell you how. The iMac is also up and running, the old school iMac. That has become my little gaming corner. We've got some of the old Warhammer 40,000 games on there, and my kids are loving playing Marvel Lego as well, which is fun. But yeah, bit of a mess at the minute. This is my little unboxing segment where I've got my Raycon boxes. I've got my 3D printer over here, which we're also testing at the moment. That video is almost complete. It's a vacuum that someone sent me to test. There's all sorts of stuff going on. Yeah, should we go to the Apple Store? Once we got to the Apple Store, it was very busy. There was obviously queues and things going on. They did have all the new iPhones out for everyone to have a look at. So we've got the new colours, we've got the ultramarine blue, we've got the hot pink. I'm not quite sure what the official name is on that one, but it's bright. The new Apple Watch Series 10 as well doesn't actually feel that different in the hand. I did notice that all of the iPhones feel really, really light, and I think the big reason for that is I've had a stainless steel one for so long, so it feels really dense, whereas the aluminium phones and also the titanium phones do feel super light in the hand. But I picked up my iPhone 16 Pro Max, and yeah, it's huge, but I kind of love it. And of course there'll be far more details to come.